We all started at zero. Some of us had a dad, grandfather, or mentor who took the time to teach us. Some of us had to learn by making mistakes, fixing them, and trying again. I spent years working in machine shops and my own workshop, and the lessons in this series come directly from those experiences. My goal is to pass those lessons on to you. Shop Proven is designed specifically for the everyday DIYer. Each video highlights one common shop challenge and the practical skill you need to overcome it. Learn one skill at a time, apply it to your next project, and build confidence with every job. In this series, you'll learn how to cut, drill, and shape a variety of materials for different purposes. You'll learn what to watch for before problems start, why things sometimes go wrong, and the simple techniques that lead to better results. These are practical shop skills you can use whether you're repairing something around the house, building a project, or improving your workshop. No one becomes skilled overnight. Real experience comes from doing the work, one project at a time. Combine these skills with your own experience, and you'll become a more capable, more confident DIYer. Welcome to Shop Proven. I'm glad you're here. Let's get to work.